Hi everyone, Jay from Flow Migration Law. Today, we're talking about a situation that's unfortunately very common and understandably upsetting. You've been waiting for news and the email arrives, your partner's visitor visa has been refused. Suddenly a dozen questions come rushing in, and the biggest one is usually, what does this mean for our future? Is our plan over? I want to walk you through how the Department of Home Affairs views this situation, and more importantly, how you can move forward. A visitor visa refusal is a setback, but it doesn't have to be the end of the journey. Before we dive in, a quick note. The information in this video is general in nature. For advice specific to your situation, it's always best to seek professional legal guidance before proceeding. First, let's look at why visitor visa refusals happen. In most cases, it's because the department wasn't satisfied that the applicant met the genuine visitor requirement. This is essentially a test. The case officer must be convinced that your partner intends to visit Australia temporarily and return home afterwards. They assess your partner's ties to their home country, things like employment, family commitments, property, and overall stability. They'll also review their financial situation and travel history. If the officer isn't persuaded that your partner will return home, the visa is likely to be refused, even if your relationship itself is completely genuine. A visitor refusal usually means Plan A, bringing your partner to Australia to then apply for the onshore subclass 820 partner visa, is no longer available. This is the moment to pause, reassess, and plan strategically, not to panic. So what are your next options? For many couples, the most direct alternative is the offshore subclass 309 partner visa, which is lodged while your partner's outside of Australia. It's ideal if you're already married or can meet the 12-month de facto relationship requirement. If you haven't lived together long enough, relationship registration in an Australian state or territory can often help you meet this requirement. In some cases, a carefully planned visitor visa strategy can complement a 309 application, but this is complex and should be managed with professional guidance. Now, if you're engaged but not yet married or de facto, the subclass 300 prospective marriage visa may be a good option too. It's designed to bring your fiance to Australia so you can marry and then apply for the partner visa onshore. And what about reapplying for a visitor visa? While it's challenging, it's technically possible to reapply, but only if you can demonstrate a significant and compelling change in circumstances since the first refusal. Submitting a similar application with the same information will almost certainly lead to the same outcome. This stage requires careful consideration, so I strongly recommend getting professional advice before taking your next step. Once you've chosen your new path and you're ready to apply for a partner visa, your focus needs to shift completely. You're no longer proving temporary intent. You're now proving commitment and a genuine ongoing relationship. The department will look at 4 key areas. Financial aspects, showing that you support each other financially or share financial responsibilities in some meaningful way. This could mean how you manage expenses together, help each other day to day, or plan financially for your future. Household arrangements, how you organize your lives together, whether you live under the same roof or manage things while apart. The key is to show cooperation and shared responsibilities in your daily lives. Social aspects, how your relationship is seen and acknowledged by others. This includes how you interact with family, friends, and your broader community as a couple. Commitment, your long-term intentions, emotional connection, and the future you're building together. It's about demonstrating that this relationship is genuine, exclusive, and meant to last. A strong application clearly shows that your relationship is genuine and continuing, that the relationship is the reason for the visa, not the other way around. So yes, a visitor visa refusal can feel disheartening, but it's often a redirection, not a dead end. The key is to understand what happened, adjust your strategy, and move forward with a clear, realistic plan. With over 80 years of experience in Australian immigration law, I've guided many couples through this exact scenario, helping them rebuild their strategy and move towards a successful outcome. If you're unsure what your next step should be, we offer a consultation where we can talk through your situation in detail. And if you'd like guidance through the entire process, our team at Flow Migration Law can support you from start to finish. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you see a clear path forward.